Hello all. Welcome to another session in this course. As part of this session, I'm going to cover the next topic, that is Playwright a free tool or not? The answer is yes. Playwright test automation tool is completely free. You don't have to pay a single buck for using this Playwright test automation tool. No license cost. It's absolutely or completely free, guys. Not only free, it's also open source. So what is the difference between free and open source? When I talk about these terms like free and open source, I'm saying that Playwright is not only free, but also on the top of that, Playwright is also open source. You need to understand the difference between free and open source here. Free means no need to pay any money. No need to pay any money for using the tool. That is zero license cost. Okay, there is no license or you don't have to pay any money for the license. It's completely free. Playwright test automation tool is completely free. But what exactly is open source? Is free and open source same? The answer is no, guys. Okay, free and open source are not same. They are different. Open source means the developers, okay, developers, you see Playwright is from which company? Microsoft company. Developers of Microsoft company has built this, has built this Playwright test automation tool, has built this Playwright test automation tool. You see, whatever the code that is written by the developers of this Microsoft while building this Playwright test automation tool, they kept it, the code is kept open for public. Okay, the code is kept open for public. We as normal people who are not the developers of Microsoft, developers from Microsoft who have not built the Playwright can also check the code written by these developers for building this such kind of test automation tool. Okay, it's completely open and there is a way of contributing also. But let's not go into the details. But here, let's find out the code of Playwright. I told you, right, the Playwright test automation tool code is openly available. Simply write Playwright space GitHub. To do that, you'll get the GitHub link of Playwright, guys. Just click on this. You see Microsoft Playwright is there. And here, so these are the people who are contributing to this, guys. These are the list of people who are contributing to the Playwright test automation tool. 649 contributors are there. And Playwright is currently used by 419K. Okay, so popularity you can check here. How many people are using the Playwright tool? You can check here. Used by this many people, whereas contributed by this many people. So Playwright is a kind of test automation tool which is built by these developers in the open source format. So you can see the code, guys. For example, you can go to this test or something and let's go to this some places we'll go and see what files are there, PNG files and all are there here. Okay, let's go back. So a lot of files are there here, guys. A lot of files are there here. You see? You see, this is the code written. Okay, it's used, the code has been written in TypeScript actually. This particular file is in there in a TypeScript format. You can see the TypeScript language here. So developers are writing this code. Developers from the Microsoft are building this Playwright test automation tool with the help of TypeScript programming language, and it's open source. That means you can actually see the code written by the developers of the Microsoft who are building this Playwright test automation tool. So this proves that Playwright is not only free but also open source. Playwright is not only free but also open source, guys. So hope guys you understood that how Playwright is Playwright free or paid. Playwright is absolutely free, completely free. No need to pay any license amount or no need to bear any license cost. Not only free, it's also open source. So openly people are contributing to the Playwright project. So that's all from this session. See you in the next session where I'm going to cover the next topic in this particular course, that is Playwright with TypeScript course. Till then, see you. Bye bye.